I have price list of different car models on the left hand side where the prices are available of different models in different columns. My task is to fetch the price in this table based on the car and the variant. So user has to enter car model and their variant. The price must be fetched automatically from these four columns. This can be achieved used by the two-way lookup value. How we will achieve this, I'm gonna explain in this video. Let's get started. First of all, I would like to convert this price list table into the table. So select this table and come to the insert tab and click on the table and make sure you selected or enable the my table has header and then press OK. This will help to update the range automatically whenever there is a new value in this table. You can also mention the name in the table design of this table to anything useful like price list or anything. Once done, press enter. Now select a cell where we want to apply the two-way lookup. Type equal XLOOKUP. Select the XLOOKUP function and then press tab. First we need to define the lookup value. In this case it would be car model. I have already converted this table into the official Excel table. That's why the header @car is appearing instead of H7, which is the cell reference or the cell name. Now press comma. In the lookup array we need to give the car model column. Once we select the complete column, we can see the price list name and the car model, which is the column name, is coming, which will automate whenever we add new data in the price list. Now again press comma. In the return array we need to define which data we need to fetch, but we have variant lookup value on the header part of this table. So what we want, user has to select a model then a variant. So the XLOOKUP also verify which variant price we want to fetch. For this, first we need to define XLOOKUP again in this XLOOKUP function. After that, lookup value would be the variant, then comma. In the lookup array we need to define where the function will check the values. Once it is find, next we need to define the return array, which could be the price. We have to give the complete range of the prices in this table, and then we need to close first lookup, then second lookup and press enter. We got our answer. Let's change some values. I need to fetch extra variant D in this column, so I will remove, I will change to D and then press enter. I got my answer. Let's add some more values. I will add one more car model in the price list. I added new data. Now if I add the new row like new model, now I need to copy paste or type the variant for which I want the price. Whenever I paste, I got my value. So variant B 16 lakh, which is coming over here, which is absolutely correct, and it is completely dynamic. So this is how you can use XLOOKUP two-way functionality for advanced. If you really like this video, hit on the like button, do comment and share your thoughts about this. Thanks for watching. Follow for more such videos.